From sleek modern metal finishes to the cozy charm of rustic wood, your Barndominium's exterior sets the tone for your entire home. If you're looking for inspiration to transform your barndo's curb appeal, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into three major styles: modern, rustic, and farmhouse, to help you find the perfect look. Why should you even care so much about the outside? Well, first impressions count. Your home's exterior is the first thing people see, and it instantly defines its character. A well-designed exterior doesn't just look good, it significantly boosts your property's value and curb appeal. Most importantly, it's a reflection of your personal style and the lifestyle you want to create. It's your chance to make a statement before anyone even steps inside. Let's start with the sleek and sophisticated modern barndominium style. Think clean lines, bold contrasts, and a minimalist feel. The go-to materials here are often black, charcoal, or dark gray metal siding, which create a very sharp and contemporary look. This style is defined by its simplicity: geometric roof shapes, large, minimalist windows without complex trim, and a focus on structure. To add a touch of warmth and prevent it from feeling too industrial, many modern designs incorporate contrasting elements like natural wood accents around the entryway or large glass garage doors. This style is perfect for those building in urban or suburban areas, where it stands out with its refined, architectural presence. Now, if you're dreaming of a home that feels like a retreat in the mountains, the rustic barndominium style is for you. This look is all about embracing natural materials and creating a cozy, cabin-inspired vibe. Picture natural wood siding, whether it's cedar, pine, or reclaimed barnwood, paired with rugged stone details on the foundation or as accent columns. Earthy tones are key. Here browns, greens, and deep reds that blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Architecturally, you'll often see exposed beams, classic gabled roofs, and large windows that frame the outdoor views. The rustic style is absolutely ideal for country settings, wooded lots, or anyone who wants their home to feel grounded, warm, and timelessly connected to nature. Next up, we have the ever-popular farmhouse barndominium style. This look strikes a beautiful balance between old-world charm and modern living. The classic combination is crisp white siding paired with bold black trim for the windows and roofline. It has a timeless look that never goes out of style. Metal roofing is a signature feature, often in a standing seam profile that adds texture and durability. Of course, you can't have a farmhouse without a welcoming porch. Wide front porches or even wraparound porches are perfect for rocking chairs and morning coffee. Barn-inspired details, like X-brace patterns on garage doors or sliding barn doors for sheds, complete the look. This style is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for family homes in rural settings or anyone who loves a clean, welcoming, and slightly nostalgic aesthetic. It's the perfect blend of old and new. Why stick to just one style when you can create something uniquely yours? Let's talk about creative combinations that can take your barndominium's exterior to the next level. One of the most popular trends is blending metal and wood. This gives you the durability and low maintenance of metal siding with the warmth and texture of wood accents. You get the best of both worlds. Another fantastic way to enhance your exterior is by adding functional and beautiful outdoor living spaces. A covered patio is perfect for year-round grilling, while a wraparound porch adds that classic, inviting charm. Don't underestimate the power of lighting either. Strategically placed accent lights can highlight architectural features, showcase the texture of your stone or wood, and create a dramatic, high-end look after dark. Lastly, play with the layout of your siding. Instead of just standard horizontal panels, consider using vertical siding to make your home appear taller, or mix vertical and horizontal sections to create visual interest and define different parts of your home as structure. Let's get practical and talk about cost and materials, because your budget plays a huge role in your design choices. Metal siding is one of the most popular choices for barndominiums, and for good reason. It's affordable, incredibly durable, and requires very little maintenance over its lifetime. Wood siding, on the other hand, offers an unmatched natural warmth and aesthetic. It does require more upkeep, like regular staining or sealing to protect it from the elements, and it typically comes at a higher price point. If you love the look of stone, it's a fantastic way to add elegance and texture. However, it can be one of the pricier materials. A smart way to incorporate it without breaking the bank is to use it selectively as an accenter on the base of your home, on porch columns, or around the entryway. The ultimate pro tip for balancing your budget is to mix these materials. Pair affordable metal siding with beautiful wood accents and a touch of stone to get that high-end, custom look you want without the high-end price tag. Now, let's look at some real-world examples to see how these styles come to life. Here on the left, you see a modern barndo. Notice the dark, vertical metal siding, the clean roofline, and the large, simple windows. It's all about minimalist geometry. Now, compare that to the rustic barndo in the middle. See the warm wood siding, the stone foundation, and the classic gabled roof. It feels completely integrated with its natural surroundings. And on the right, we have the farmhouse style. You can immediately spot the classic white and black color scheme, the welcoming front porch, and the metal roof. Look closely at the details. The window placement on the modern home is asymmetrical for an artistic look, while the farmhouse windows are balanced and symmetrical. The entryway on the rustic home is heavy and grounded with stone, while the modern entryway is sleek and minimalist. These small choices make a huge difference in the overall feel of the home. As we wrap up, remember this: your barndominium's exterior isn't just about looks or curb appeal. It's about creating a home that feels uniquely yours, a place that reflects your personality from the moment you pull into the driveway, whether you lean modern, rustic, or farmhouse. The right design will make you proud every single time you come home. I hope this has given you plenty of inspiration for your own project. If you enjoyed these design ideas and want more tips on building and styling your dream barndominium, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.